What's up, fellas? I got a new package, a bunch of package from AirLift Suspension. I'm gonna show you guys what it is here in a minute. I just want to give a big shout out to AirLift Suspension because they gave me a sponsorship for Maximus. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up all the boxes and see all the pieces that I got. So I'm gonna, as you can tell, I am gonna be doing the air suspension. I would have already started, but it's so cold down here in Florida. It's like in the teens, way too cold for me. So I'm just gonna be opening it inside, and then I'll go and once it warms up a little, I'll do an install video so you guys can see how it's done. But for right now, I'm just gonna open the boxes and let you see all what's in the boxes. Cool. Got a license plate frame. Sweet. Got a t-shirt. Got a lanyard. Oh, most important, my AirLift sticker. Air tank. Would be another tank, probably the used one. Wasn't the used one, but the mock-up one. Sweet. Yep. Got a banner for the garage. So this is the tank. I believe this one's a 5-gallon or a 4-gallon tank. Air fittings. Put that in here. Guess it's the packing list. That's Brody. Compressor in here. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna leave it in there for now. This is the system that I have, is the 3P. I'm just gonna leave it in the box for now. Mess with that later. Yeah, these ones are for the rear. On the back, you can loosen it down, thread it up and down. And this is on the bags. Good quality. These ones are for the, last but not least, these ones are for the front. There's the one for the front. I'll put it all back up till I get everything sorted out and ready for installation. And that does it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I want to thank AirLift Performance. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for future uploads. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more to come with the AirLift, with Maximus, and I have a lot planned, a lot more stuff planned for Maximus this summer. Thanks.